So we will fuse it and find out. Just going back in with the shade, I put the white shade on my shadow. That is not English and I need help. Come in. You scared me.
I wanted to do that while you were filming. What are you doing to your face?
I don't know. So now let's get jumped. Let's get jumped. So that's not right. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Why am I doing this again? I don't know. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a first impressions kind of tutorial. I'm using a brand that I've never used before and I'm super excited. The brand I will be using today is Nomad Cosmetics, and I recently purchased their Northern Lights box, which comes with 4 shadows and 2 glitters, and I use some of these shadows from that in today's look. I'm also wearing my favorite pair of lashes at the moment, which are by Chic lashes. So yeah, I'm excited for today's tutorial, and if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. So we're gonna be dipping into some Nomad Cosmetics today, ladies and gents. I'm excited. So I went online and purchased a box set that they have of their new collection. I like the packaging to begin with. It's like nice and sturdy. So basically you open up this box and then inside you have 4 shadows and 2 glitters. There's also a mirror in here, which is nice because you could do your makeup with this or travel with this. But yes, I'm super excited. I have not swatched anything yet, so I have like no idea. This is a total first impression. So as you can see, this is the first shade right here. It is this gorgeous satiny blue shade. This is the number 4 shadow. The proper name for it, I think, is Norskin number 4, but I'm just gonna be telling you guys the numbers because I really can't pronounce it, okay? Wow. Look at that swatch right there. That was just one swipe. You can see it's very satiny. It feels very creamy. Blends out nicely, so I'm excited to use this. That shade is so beautiful. This is the Norskin number 3 shadow, and this is more of a reddish pinky tone. Very pigmented. Beautiful, beautiful shade. Super excited to use this one today. Number 2 shadow, which is this shade right here. It is this beautiful green shade. This whole collection is their Northern Lights collection, so it kind of has all of those Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis type of colors in there. Number 1 shadow, as you can see, it's another beautiful bluish shade, but this one has almost a bit more purple in it. This one looks like it might be a little bit patchy, but I'm not sure, so we will fuse it and find out. All right, so now that we have these swatches out of the way, here are the glitters as well. I'm not gonna swatch these because they're loose glitters, aka very messy. So the first glitter is this pinky shade right here, and then the second glitter is this bluer shade right here. So the first thing I will be doing today are my eyes. Because of the fact that I'm using more colorful shadows, I don't know if there's any fallout with these shadows or anything like that. I'm rolling my sleeves up because I just got makeup all over this freaking shirt, and I'm not trying to do that today. It's just a brand new shirt from PLT, Pretty Little Thing, which means it was pretty expensive, okay? So jumping into today's video, the first thing I will be doing is priming my eyes using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. You guys know the drill with this. This is my go-to for primer because it cancels out any darkness on my lid. Now I'm just gonna be taking a cream colored shadow, patting this onto my lid. The first thing I will be doing is dipping into this eyeshadow by MAC in the shade Kelly, which is this shade right here. I will be putting this in my crease as my transition shade. I'm going to be dipping into the shade number 4, which is this beautiful blue shade right here, and I will be focusing that even deeper into my crease to start to build that definition for the cut crease. Alright, now going in with this purple shade, I'm going to be putting this tightest into the crease to build that cut crease effect. This will be the darkest shade that I'm using in today's look, and I'm just going to be applying that with a pencil brush. Okay, so now I will be going in and concealing the lid to create that cut crease, and to do this, I will be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Concealer in the shade number 1. Now I will be dipping into the shade number 3, which is this shadow right here, and I will be packing that onto my lid. So I don't know how I feel about this look quite yet. So I am going to go back in with that blue and purple shade and bring this down so it's more of a half cut crease, because there's not enough contrast for me in between the two shades. It wasn't really working out how I thought it was going to work out. So I'm just going to go in and make this a half cut crease. So by adding this blue shade back over that purple shade, you can see it kind of made it into this blue purple shade right here. So now I will be going in with my Morphe gel liner in the shade Slate and doing a wing for today's look. So stepping away from the eyes for a minute, I'm going to move on to my face, and first I'm going to start by filling in my brows. I'm going to be using my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil to do this. This is my favorite way to quickly do my brows because this pencil is angled and it's a bit thicker. It makes it so easy to fill in your brows. So next I will be spraying my face with my primer water by Smashbox and then going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. Then going in with my Shape Tape Concealer and concealing my face. Next, I will be setting my face with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and my BareMinerals BarePro powder. Next, going back in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and contouring with this middle shade right here in the shade Fawn. Now I will be bronzing with my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I will be using the NARS blush in the shade Final Cut today, which is this peachy shade in this palette right here, and I will be focusing that right above my bronzer in more of an angled shape. Then I will be spraying my face and using my highlight by theBalm in the shade Mary Luminizer. Mary Lou. I feel so weird saying Mary Luminizer because I always say Mary Lou. Then I will be setting my brows with my Gimme Brow by Benefit. This is my favorite brow gel because it really just adds more dimension and volume to the brow while setting it so that it stays in... Yep, that's how my day is going. Now I'm going to be putting on lashes and mascara, so I will be using my Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara today and my Trace Chic lashes in the style Princess. Literally just love these lashes so much. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm just still not over it. Now aligning my lower waterline with my No Tug Eyeliner by It Cosmetics. This is just a black liner. And then going in with both these shadows in the shade number 4 and number 3, I will be blending these onto my lower waterline. Ah! Every time I get it in my eye. That's what she said. Ah! So much shadow in my eyes right now. And then going in with a clean blending brush and blending this out. Picking up my Bad Gal Bang Mascara once more, I'm just going to put a quick coat on my lower lashes. Today I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in the shade I'm Shook. Now just going over top of that with my Dose of Colors lip gloss in the shade Golds. Alright, so this completes today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my videos get seen by other people. Feel free to leave comments down below letting me know what kinds of videos you want to see from me next. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.